Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today I've got something super exciting and absolutely delicious for you. We're making the perfect homemade Zinger Burger, just like your favorite KFC-style crispy chicken burger. But even better, if you've ever craved that crunchy, spicy chicken patty sandwiched in a soft bun with creamy, tangy sauce and fresh veggies, then you're going to love this recipe. Not only is it easy to make at home, but it's also a lot more affordable and healthier because you know exactly what's going into your burger. So whether you're planning a family dinner, a weekend treat, or just want to impress your friends, this Zinger Burger recipe is a must-try. Let's dive right in. Let's start by going over the ingredients you'll need for this recipe. We're going to break it down into 4 parts: marination, sauce, coating, and assembling the burger. 4 chicken marination. 600 grams chicken thighs, boneless. 1 teaspoon salt, or to taste. 1 teaspoon white pepper. 1/2 teaspoon red chili powder. 1 teaspoon crushed chili flakes. 1 teaspoon paprika powder. 1 teaspoon garlic powder. 1 teaspoon onion powder. 2 teaspoons soy sauce. 2 tablespoons vinegar. For the burger sauce. For tablespoons, mayonnaise. 2 tablespoons tomato ketchup. 1 tablespoon sriracha sauce, for that extra kick. 1 teaspoon mustard sauce. 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder. 1/2 teaspoon onion powder. For the chicken coating. Plain flour, as required. Cold water, for dipping. For frying. Cooking oil, enough for deep frying. Other ingredients for assembling. Burger buns. Lettuce leaves. Onion slices cut into rings. Cucumber slices. Optional. Cheese slices, because who doesn't love melty cheese? Alright, now that we have everything ready, let's move on to the fun part, cooking. Step 1. Prepare the marination. In a large bowl, combine all your marination ingredients. Make sure everything is well mixed. Now here's a key tip. Pound your chicken thighs slightly with a meat mallet or rolling pin. This helps tenderize the meat and ensures even cooking, so your chicken stays juicy and tender on the inside, while crispy outside. Once pounded, coat your chicken thoroughly in the marinade. Cover the bowl and refrigerate for at least 2 hours. If you have time, let it sit overnight. The flavors will soak in beautifully and elevate the taste. Step 2. Make the burger sauce. While the chicken is marinating, let's whip up our delicious burger sauce. In a small bowl, mix together the mayonnaise, ketchup, sriracha, mustard, garlic powder, and onion powder. This sauce has the perfect balance of creaminess, tanginess, and a little heat, and it makes a huge difference in the final taste of the burger. Trust me, once you try this sauce, you'll be putting it on everything. Set it aside in the fridge until we're ready to assemble. Step 3. Coat the chicken for frying. Now for that crispy, flaky coating that makes the Zinger Burger iconic. Here's the technique. Fill 1 bowl with plain flour. In another bowl, keep some cold water ready. Take each marinated chicken thigh, coat it well in flour. Then dip it quickly into the water and immediately return it to the flour. Coat it again, pressing gently to form those rough, craggy flakes that crisp up beautifully when fried. Pro tip, don't overhandle the chicken at this stage. Those uneven bits of flour sticking out are exactly what give it that extra crunch. Step 4. Deep fry the chicken. Heat your oil on medium flame. Make sure it's hot enough before adding your chicken. You can test it by dropping in a little piece of coating. If it bubbles up, the oil's ready. Carefully add the chicken and fry each piece for about 4 to 5 minutes or until golden brown and cooked through. Place them on a wire rack or paper towels to drain excess oil. Step 5. Assemble the Zinger Burger. Time to bring it all together. Lightly toast your burger buns for a little extra texture. Spread a generous layer of the burger sauce on both halves. Add a fresh lettuce leaf. Place a juicy, crispy fried chicken piece on top. Add onion rings and cucumber slices. Optional, Add a slice of cheese for extra richness. Top it with the bun lid and press gently. And there you have it. Your homemade crispy chicken Zinger burger is ready to serve. So what makes this Zinger burger recipe so special? Restaurant style at home. You get the same satisfying crunch and flavor you'd expect from fast food, but made fresh, without preservatives. Customizable heat level. You can adjust the spice to your liking, whether you want it mild, spicy, or fiery hot. Healthier option. You control the oil, salt, and ingredients. No mystery stuff here. Better value. A full meal for your family at a fraction of the cost of eating out. And if you're someone who's trying to build confidence in the kitchen, this is a great recipe to start with. It teaches marination, layering of flavors, and how to deep fry properly, all essential cooking skills. Before we wrap up, here are a few bonus tips. Double the sauce and keep it in the fridge. It works great with fries, wraps, or even grilled sandwiches. If you're air frying instead of deep frying, spray the chicken with oil and cook at 200 degrees Celsius for about 20 minutes, flipping halfway through. Add pickles if you like a tangy crunch in every bite. All right, foodies, if you love this recipe and you're excited to try it out, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It really helps support the channel. Hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on more awesome recipes, from street-style snacks to full-blown comfort meals. If you've got a favorite twist on the Zinger burger, maybe you add jalapenos or you use spicy mayo, let me know in the comments below. I love reading your ideas. And hey, if you enjoyed this recipe, check out my other videos on chicken popcorn, spicy fries, and creamy coleslaw, perfect sides to go with this burger. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time with another delicious recipe straight from my kitchen to yours. Stay hungry, stay happy, and happy cooking.